Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Autoblog. Today I'm going to take a look at a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. But first I'd like to thank Muzi Chevrolet in Needham, Massachusetts for allowing me to do this review. So without wasting any further time, let's get right into it.
Since 1953, the Chevrolet Corvette has helped shape and define American car culture and continues to captivate the hearts of car enthusiasts in the United States. The 2017 Corvette Z06 is more than just an American muscle car. It's the embodiment of performance. Over the last few years since the C7's debut, the Corvette has been grabbing attention not only from the domestic market, but across the Atlantic. A car that was once thrown into the same sentence as the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, Dodge Viper, and other American muscle cars is now taking on the Porsche 911 GT3, Audi R8, and the Mercedes-Benz GTS, to name a few. When it comes to performance, you will not find a European sports car anywhere close in its price range that can compete with the Z06. With a 0 to 60 time of 2.9 seconds, the Corvette is faster than a 911 GT3 and Jaguar F-Type SVR. Even more impressive, the Z06 has a quicker 0 to 60 time than a Pagani Huayra. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that gets 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The Z06 I'm taking a look at today comes with the optional 8-speed automatic transmission, but a 7-speed manual does come standard. For pricing, this Z06 is right around $104,000. Packages on this Corvette include the Z07 Ultimate Performance Package, which adds Brembo ceramic brakes, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup summer tires, Z07 Sport suspension, and a much more aggressive rear spoiler and front splitter. The 3LT Premium Equipment Package comes with the custom leather and microfiber wrapped interior packages, a performance data recorder, and navigation system. What really makes the Z06 an enthusiast car is that even as we inch closer to 2020, it doesn't come with the safety technology that would be found on most cars today. While you do get a backup camera and an optional front camera for parking, there's no blind spot, forward collision, or lane departure warning systems. This Corvette was built for the driver who is fully engaged behind the wheel, which is why when we take a look inside, the interior would be considered simplistic compared to its German rivals. However, the technology this Corvette does have is tailored to the drivers who take their cars to the track or just want to have some fun on the weekends. There is no doubt that the C7 is the most aggressive looking Corvette Chevrolet has ever made. From the front splitter, to the rear spoiler, the side air vents, and the optional black painted aluminum wheels and red brake calipers, this Z06 looks absolutely sinister. Matched with Watkins Glen Gray Metallic, the color combination is stunning, and thanks to the design, the C7 doesn't have a bad angle. Taking a look inside, you're greeted by heated and ventilated leather GT bucket seats. For both the driver and passenger, the seats are power adjustable. The GT bucket seats do come standard, and honestly, I found them to be very comfortable and they provide a lot of support. In front of you is a flat-bottom leather-wrapped steering wheel with buttons that control your information display and volume control. You'll get a digital instrument panel that provides a number of performance statistics, navigation, and radio controls. Let's scroll through the information display and check out some of the features. Your current fuel economy and average speed during the trip, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, average MPGs, how much fuel you've used including a timer, speed limit detection, engine hours and lifetime revs, and a digital speedometer can all be found in the info tab. Moving on to performance, a digital rev counter, your G-force which would be useful on the track, a 0 to 60 timer, coolant temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure, battery voltage, your transmission fluid temperature, how much horsepower is being used, tire temperature, which is good for when you're on the track, and wheel slip differential give you all the information you need, whether you're on a spirited drive or at your local track. To the right of the digital instrument display is your engine start-stop button, and a button that controls a pretty cool feature. By pressing down on the screen tab, your LCD monitor will disappear, revealing a USB input. Taking a quick look at your LCD monitor, you'll get a navigation system, weather forecast, and through the settings you can put the Corvette into Valet mode so someone who isn't authorized to operate your vehicle can't go out on a joyride. You also get a performance data recorder which offers an onboard camera so you can record your driving experiences and laps around a track. Below the screen, you have the buttons that control the center console, along with the climate control settings. Again, this would be considered a simplistic interior, but driving experience clearly takes precedence over luxury, and some of the features we've already scrolled through back up that claim. A 12-volt outlet along with cup holders can be hidden for convenience, and to give the center console a sleek and clean look. For the center storage compartment, you'll have 2 USB inputs and enough room for smartphones. Behind the driver and passenger seats, there's a limited amount of storage space, so you most likely won't be going grocery shopping in a Z06. Overall, the interior is very comfortable for a car that could arguably be used only for the track. For long journeys and cruises on the highway, you won't get tired of being behind the wheel. What makes the C7 Z06 great is that it's a tribute to the past, but has incorporated some 21st century technology. From the outside, the Corvette looks like an exotic, and when you step inside, the interior retains the look and feel of an American muscle car. Let's take a listen to the exhaust one last time before ending this review. I'd like to thank Muzi Chevrolet for allowing me to take a look at this 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Their website will be in the description below, so you can check out their extensive Chevrolet inventory. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.